Welcome back. In this module, you'll learn how to appreciate every single blessing in your life and how to express gratitude. Why is gratitude necessary? Good things come back to you continuously when you make a habit of giving thanks and accepting thanks with a smile, without any complaints and comparisons. Gratitude is a social emotion. It's a relationship-strengthening emotion as we observe how people are supported and affirmed by other people. These are the rules that contribute in your advancement if you contribute them with devotion and include gratitude in your life every moment. Ralph Waldo Emerson had exchanged a piece of advice regarding gratitude. It is proven that countries and cultures that practice gratitude and appreciate good deeds are the successful, developed countries in the world. If someone applied gratitude at a very large scale, imagine the power of that same action in personal life. If you've not been saying thanks often, it's not too late to do so now. How you learn and practice gratitude from now on is what you're accountable for. Today, we are living in a very busy life, and it's hard to think about something outside of our comfort zone. Neglect is at its peak, and we even have no time to say thank you to a child who can still thank us for our deed and warm words. Technology has been incarcerating our attention, and it stops us from taking action. We have to replace muted texts with personal voice. We have more than enough time to say thank you as well as to love and praise. Write your goals on a piece of paper and express thank you to the ones who have committed even a small act of kindness to you. Express gratitude today for all those things you have never spoken of. Share it today for the sake of your own life. This is the importance of gratitude. The urgency is at the top of other actions. Therefore, you should understand that gratitude is as existential as you are. See well, feel good, and recognize it. You emit positive energy that passes on upon saying thanks. This attitude expresses positive things in you. Your attitude of expressing gratitude will attract more abundance. You can also express gratitude to yourself. Say thanks for all the actions you took initiative for or you have succeeded in. Give credit to yourself for achieving what you have this far, and thank yourself for persevering and never giving up. This is your source of motivation to carry on and move forward. How to practice gratitude every day? Listing is one of the convenient methods to show gratitude and not to forget any good deed. Enlist simplest deeds and things you feel grateful for in your everyday life. For instance, your identity, home, school, park, nature, clothes, food, and toys. It can be leaves, it can be water, it can be health, it can be your hair, and at the end of each day you would have a bundle of things written on a paper in hand that enables you to see that you would be helpless without those things around you. We recognize that the source of happiness and abundance is being outside of ourselves. It does not stem from things we do by ourselves or accomplish by our own. It involves a humble dependence on others. We appreciate and acknowledge other people or a higher power, if you have a spiritual mindset, has blessed us with many things regardless big or small to achieve abundance in our lives. In a few weeks or a month it becomes a habit and you would feel restless when you don't write it and appreciate it. This action opens up the blockage and resistance on your way of feeling good about all those things you are doing or have done. Even a bad event has something positive and beneficial to say thanks for. Emotional clouding of mind and abrupt destructive urges keeps us far away from realizing the fact that we must show gratitude even if we are disappointed because we may not be happy, but it saves us from a loss that we could not expect and makes us feel whole again. Do not hide your gratitude lists. Keep it accessible to everyone so it spreads the magic of happiness. Your relatives, family members, and all those you love can take part in this good energy flow, and the participation indirectly brings them closer to you. As a quote said, happiness is itself a kind of gratitude. Joseph Wood Crutch. Another way to express gratitude is to try out the do-it experiment. This experiment can be done for all actions that you desperately want to shift into a habit. It can be writing or talking, just related to anything. What more? I know you never had a chance to ponder on the numerous benefits of just saying thanks. It influences our most valuable wish, makes us close to happiness, and grants us a long-lasting effect to experience our lives in a happier manner. It creates thoughtful actions for lifestyle, for social life, for the universe, for nature, and others. What is the bridge between your success and practicing gratitude? The answer is people. Life and social aspect will always be an integral part, so try and help those in need. Make amends or even solve problems others may face through gratitude and its benefits. It is priceless, and it releases emotional burden and brings happiness and abundance. Make amends or even solve problems others may face through inducing gratitude and its benefits. It's priceless. It releases emotional burdens and brings happiness and abundance. If you're thinking where to start, look at yourself in the mirror. Place your hands on your chest and count your breathing and be grateful for being alive. Being alive has a purpose. Search for your purpose and help others and appreciate everyone. A winner uses gratitude to seize the day or live his or her own life to the fullest. This includes chasing dreams and working towards the successful story they've always wanted. Are you a winner? I am asking again to assist you in reflecting back upon the intensity of urge for this habit of thankfulness. Gratitude has a marked effect in not only your life, but also overall success and achievements. Gratitude replenishes self-control in a lost soul. Why is gratitude important? First, gratitude has a marked effect in not only your life, but also overall success and achievements. Gratitude replenishes self-control in a lost soul. A winner uses gratitude to seize the day or live his own life to the fullest. This includes chasing dreams and working towards the successful story they've always wanted. Second, gratitude helps in achieving better physical and mental health. Research studies have shed a light on the effects of gratitude in reducing depression and boosting mood for happiness. This is because gratitude emits positive emotions. Gratitude helps us to participate more in life. We notice the optimistic side of things more. Therefore, it magnifies the pleasures you receive from life. A person who rarely expresses gratitude and thankfulness attracts misery. Meanwhile, those who often write letters of gratitude and appreciation for someone will usually be surrounded by abundance. They give more and get more. Not only this, physical health and fitness is also better among those who practice gratitude, with strong immune systems and less symptoms of illness. Frequent illness is also connected with being unthankful. It really is interesting. No doubt this amazing action is very easy to carry in daily life. If you try saying thanks 100 times consciously in daily situations, after the specific number of times you would say thanks automatically. Gratitude plays a major role surrounding you. It attracts abundance. When you express thankfulness to even your simplest blessings, you inevitably attract more. Success is calling you. Gratitude is a gift given to you. Imagine the whole universe is striving for your goal with you, and by your side, angels are sending blessings to you to excel and gain more than what you already have. This is the energy of gratitude in your life. Always remember to say thank you to yourself as well as others.